How fast can you get Claude Code running on your machine? What if I told you it takes less than 5 minutes, no matter your platform? Welcome to TechGuardian Academy Episode 2, where today we're installing Claude Code on Windows, Mac, or Linux, and setting it up to work with the CLI desktop app, and even the VS Code extension. Let's quickly recap what we covered last time. Claude Code is an AI coding tool that's changing the way we write, debug, and explore code. If you're new, check out Episode 1 for the big picture. Today, it's all about getting hands-on. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have 2 key prerequisites. First, you'll need Node.js installed. Just head to nodejs.org and grab the latest LTS version for your OS. Second, you'll need your Claude API key. You can find this by signing up or logging into claude.ai/code and generating your key. Keep it handy, we'll need it soon. Let's start with the CLI. Open your terminal or command prompt and run npm install Claude Code. That's it, the CLI is now globally installed. To authenticate, just type Claude Code login, paste in your API key, and you're set. Prefer a desktop app? Download the installer for your OS from claude.ai/code/download. Run the installer. On Windows, it's in .exe. On Mac, a .dmg. On Linux, a .deb or .app image. Follow the prompts to install. At first launch, you'll be asked for your API key. If you live in VS Code, just open the Extensions panel, search for Claude Code, and hit Install. When you open the sidebar, you'll see a prompt to enter your API key. Drop it in, and you're ready to go. Now, let's verify everything works. In your terminal, run Claude Code version. You should see the version number. In the desktop app and VS Code, try asking Claude to generate a code snippet. If you get a response, congrats, you're all set. For more details, check out the Claude Code documentation at claude.ai/code. Subscribe and hit the bell for the next episode.